Hello students, welcome back to the channel, and we are continuing with the topic called your human eye and the colorful world. And in this part C we are going to complete the task called prism, dispersion and rainbow. Prism, dispersion and rainbow. So first of all, refraction. Earlier chapter called light, reflection and refraction has been uploaded in the channel. You can check in the playlist light, reflection and refraction. So the bending of light rays here, the light is traveling into two mediums. We call it as refraction. So now here what happens when a light passes through a prism? So refraction of light through a prism. A prism is a transparent refracting medium bounded by two plane surfaces inclined at an angle. So how a prism will be, you can check here in the diagram. A prism, one surface I took. So now what happens here, it is a transparent refracting medium which is mounted by two plane surfaces at a particular angle. So when a ray of light will pass through a prism, what happens, it bends twice. When it will bend twice, once while entering the prism, again while leaving the prism. Once while entering the prism and again while leaving the prism, the ray of light is going to bend. As a result, the light deviates from its original path. As a result, the light deviates from its original path due to refraction. Next is a glass prism. A glass prism is an optical device which is made up of transparent glass. As it is transparent, so refraction takes place. What are the uses here? To refract light. When a ray of light passes through a prism, it will split into 7 different colors, and it is used in optical instruments and laboratories. So dispersion of white light. Splitting of white light into its 7 constituent colors on passing through a glass prism is called dispersion of light. You can see the figure here. A single ray of white light is passing through a prism. After refraction, it will split into 7 different colors. So this is called your dispersion of white light, that is splitting of white light into 7 constituent colors. What is the reason here? Different colors travel with different speeds inside the prism. Inside the prism, different colors will be traveling at different speeds, and each color will bend by different amount. Each color will bend by a different amount over here. Now spectrum of a white light, that is just now I have shown you the figure, that is it is a band of 7 colors which is obtained after dispersion is called a spectrum. So VIBGYOR, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So moreover, the important points to remember here, violet will deviate the most, red deviates the least. Violet will deviate the most and red will deviate the least. Dispersion of light. Dispersion is a phenomena of splitting white light into its 7 colors. A white light will split into 7 colors due to different refractions of different colors. Due to different refractions of different colors is called as dispersion of light. Now recombination of spectrum colors to give white light. When you place one more prism in front of this dispersion, here in this place one more prism if you will place, then 7 colors will pass through the prism and a single ray of light is obtained. So when 7 colors obtained from the first prism are passed through another identical prism which is placed in the opposite direction, they will combine, and what they are going to produce? They are going to produce a white light. This process is known as recombination of colors. This process is known as recombination of colors. Formation of a rainbow. It is a natural spectrum formed in the sky. Different steps are there. Each steps diagrammatically has been given here. So what is the condition? Sun should be behind the observer. If I am observing, sun must be behind, and water droplet should be in front of the observer. Means I will be in the middle, at my back sun, in my front water droplets. In each droplet, sunlight undergoes. What it will undergo? Refraction, dispersion, internal reflection, Refraction again while coming out. See, this many steps sunlight undergoes. Refraction, dispersion, internal refraction and refraction again while coming out. In this diagram it has been mentioned clearly. So this produces the beautiful rainbow. So here outer color will be red and inner color will be violet. So we come to an end of this part. For every details you can watch in the channel link. All the parts have been uploaded. Thank you and good day. Bye bye. Take care.